Now let's look at Halo, my favorite part. Halo is your conversational widget experience. Once configured, it becomes a live conversational layer of your business. The first step is we'll need to customize your widget, and you can choose how Halo appears in your website. Next, we need to make sure you choose the right option. Most likely, if you have a website, it's an HTML. If not, you'll be able to browse the options available. Now we're 90% there. Click on Generate Script and let it do its magic. Halo actually allows customers to interact with your business directly through a branded AI interface that you embed onto your website. You follow the quick 4 steps right here, and no coding, just copy pasting, and you shall have it right in on your website. You can also configure how it behaves, and for that you need to enable the knowledge base, the business information, the products and services, which you eventually have previously filled and are ready to roll within your Halo widget. And just like that, you are ready to copy your code and get Halo live on your website after pasting it on your HTML file in Code Editor. Thank you for watching, and we remain available to walk you through this live in a call if needed. Just let us know.